Hello my people, welcome again to my channel. If you have ever felt like prepositions are just a random guessing game, you're not alone. Today we're breaking down the logic so you never have to guess again. First, we have in. We use in for the big things, both in space and in time. In terms of space, use in for enclosed areas or large locations, like you live in a house, a city, or in a country. In terms of time, think big. Use it for months, years, or seasons. For example, I was born in October. It's cold in a winter. Or looking ahead, we are living in the year 2026. If it's a long period of time, the answer is usually in. Next, we move up to the preposition on. This is more specific than in. For space, think of surfaces. Your phone is on the table. You are sitting on a chair. We also use it for a street. I am on the road. And for hectic platforms like watching this video on YouTube. For time, on is for specific days and dates. I'll see you on Monday. My party is on April 7th. If you can find it as a single, square, or a calendar, use on. Finally, we reach the top of the last preposition of today, at. This is the most precise, specific point possible for spaces. At is exact location or a function spot. For example, I am standing at the door. Meet me at the bus stop. Or I am at the entrance of the school. For time, at is for a precise clock, time, or a specific moment, like the meeting starts at 3 a.m. I'll call you at noon. We go to sleep at night. When you look at your watch, you are looking at the time.